Hi, I'm Andy with the San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District. Over the next few minutes, we're going to use the Rolling Rivers trailer to look at erosion, deposition, and other changes to the Earth's surface. Erosion is the process by which rocks, sand, soil, and other materials are worn away and transported by water, wind, and other natural forces. Softer and lighter materials, such as sand and soil, erode more easily than bedrock or plants. As wind or water increase in speed or volume, they gain energy. The more energy it has, the more force it can apply to the Earth's surface. More force leads to more erosion. You can actively see the process of erosion, such as dusty air when it's windy, or a brown or muddy river. Here you can see a windstorm in Aztec, New Mexico in April of 2022, when wind speeds topped 70 miles per hour. In the 1930s, wind was eroding so much nutritious topsoil that farmers had trouble growing anything. This was known as the Dust Bowl. In 1935, Congress passed the Soil Conservation Act, allowing individual states to form soil and water conservation districts to help people reduce erosion, improve soil health, and conserve water. Wherever erosion occurs, all of that eroded material eventually needs to end up somewhere. When the wind or water slows down, it has less energy to carry all of that sediment. Deposition is the opposite of erosion and is the process where materials are deposited on the Earth's surface. This continual cycle of erosion and deposition forms many of the features that we find on the surface of our planet. A meander is a bend or curve in a river where the water is eroding sediment from the outside of the curve and depositing sediment on the inside of the curve. As the river constantly changes shape and moves across the valley floor, a section of the river may become detached from the main river and form an oxbow lake. When the eroded material makes it all the way to a lake or ocean, a river delta forms. Deltas have some of the most nutrient-rich soil and are some of the most productive agricultural areas. Using Google Earth, you can see the accumulation of sediment over time and watch the formation of deltas, like the Mississippi River Delta shown here. When a river or stream is unable to meander due to excessive invasive plants, human construction, or other factors, the river can channelize or downcut. Channelization is the straightening of the river and shortening of the river length, increasing the speed of water flow, which increases erosion. Downcutting occurs where the water erodes the river bottom, dropping the elevation of the river and lowering the water table of the surrounding land. A lower water table makes it harder for riparian plants to access groundwater, decreasing the amount of vegetation along a river or stream bank and increasing erosion. The San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District helps landowners and users protect their soil from erosion. One of the easiest ways to do this is planting a diverse variety of native plants. The branches and leaves of plants help slow the wind or water, and the roots help hold the soil in place. Observe these two rivers side by side and see the dramatic impact vegetation has on reducing erosion. Thank you for watching the San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District's Rolling River Trailer video on erosion, deposition, and other changes to the Earth's surface. For more information, including educational lessons and curriculum, to contact us, or to learn more about how you can help conserve water, soil, and the precious resources we all need to thrive, visit our website at sanjuanswcd.com. Be sure to check out our other videos and post any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you.